Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Discord. So after you download it and you logged in with your account on Discord, you're gonna see the interface of the app. If you haven't had any servers in your Discord, you're gonna see the interface of the app without any server. You're gonna see a blank, right? But if you have a server, or if you've been invited to a server, you will see the interface of the app just like this. And here you will see the messaging and everything. If you are messaging someone, you're gonna just go back right here and you're gonna see the members, the members of this server. And from there you're gonna be able to start messaging messages with them. And as you can see right here, the messages section, from here you're gonna see all of your friends inside your Discord, whether it was from your server or someone else's. You're gonna find them right here, and you're gonna start communicating with them by just going ahead and start communicating. If you want to add emojis, and if you want to send a voice message, you can always send a voice message. And from here you're gonna see a plus button. Click on it, and here you're gonna be able to send the photos or videos to your friends. And if you want to send the files, you can always do that as well. So basically it's an amazing app to use to communicate and start your own servers together, and getting to communicate throughout a game, or probably just hang out. And here you will see the notification section. Here you will see all the latest updates from your friends or from yourself. Okay, and from here you're gonna see your account. Basically you will see the account and everything. Just go ahead and click the settings gear. You're gonna see all of your accounts. Okay, and you're gonna see the settings for your account and everything. And from here you're gonna be able to control your own account. And basically what you want to do, if you want to edit your profile, you can always edit your profile by editing your name or whatever. And basically if you want to add a status, you can always add a status. And if you want to add your own online status, you can always do that. In my case, I'm gonna just keep it invisible. And if you want to add your profile photo, just go ahead right here and add the profile photo and upload your own avatar, basically. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.